Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.
Hello kids, let's look at a pattern problem from River Valley Primary School. This is 2019 prelims paper. This is a 5-mark question, question number 17. Bala uses shaded and unshaded squares to form figures that follow a pattern. The first 3 figures are shown below. So the first question is, the table below shows the number of unshaded squares for each figure. Complete the table for figure 4 and figure 5. We see that the number of unshaded squares is increasing by threes. 5 to 8 is 3, 8 to 11 is 3. So the next for figure 4, the unshaded squares should be 14, and for figure 5, the number of unshaded squares should be 17. So that's the first part of the answer. Part B, what is the difference in the number of unshaded squares Bala uses for figure 11 and figure 14? So figure 11 is, assume, is just a box, some number of unshaded squares. So figure 12 is going to be the same number plus 3. Figure 13 would be the same number plus 6, and figure 14 would be the same number plus 9, which means the difference between figure 14 and figure 11, the number of unshaded squares would be 9. Is basically 14 minus 11 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So that's the answer for part B of the question. Part C, another figure in the pattern has 20 more unshaded than shaded squares. What is the total number of shaded and unshaded squares in that figure? So now let's look at the difference in the number of unshaded squares and the shaded squares. Figure 1 has one more unshaded square than the shaded squares. Figure 2 has two more unshaded squares than the shaded squares. 8 minus 6 is 2. Figure 3 has 3 more unshaded squares than shaded squares. So in this way, which figure number would have 20 more unshaded squares than the shaded squares? Obviously figure 20. Let's now derive the formula for this pattern. If you are new to deriving formula, please click on the I button at the top right corner to learn how to derive the formula for pattern problems. If you are already aware, this is a constant difference method where the initial pattern 0 would be just the 4 squares, which is 2 shaded and 2 unshaded. So basically it's 4. The constant is plus 4, and each figure from figure 1 to figure 2, there is an increase of 5 squares. Figure 2 to figure 3, again there is an increase of 5 squares, which I have marked with red color to show you in the figures. So the formula is 5n plus 4. Now we already found out that n is 20, because for figure 20 is what we need to find the number of squares. So we just have to substitute n equal to 20. So the number of squares is 5 times 20 plus 4, which is 104 squares. That's the answer for part C of the question.
Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.